Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I missed this whole setup. I've missed you guys. So yeah, this video is actually meant to be a get ready with me video, like chit chat video while I do my makeup, telling you guys an update about my life, what I've been up to for the past 2 months. But then things changed, so I decided to do something different, something totally different. From the title of the video, as you can see, we are going to be discussing content creation 101 today as a nano influencer in Nigeria. So this is a disclaimer, please, this video has no direction. Like, I started writing down things, but I kind of got carried away, so we're just gonna dive into it with the spirit of the Lord wherever it's leading to. I'm just gonna be talking and talking and talking, and just hope the video doesn't get too long. So how do you become a content creator? It's very easy to become a content creator. It doesn't take much to become a content creator, but it takes a lot to actually get to the top of content creation. Like, you never get tired of creating content. You just keep going and going and going and going. It's a process that never ends. So I'm going to be giving you some steps that have helped me in content creation, and please don't mind my hand movements. That's how we're gonna do it in this video. So first of all, what do you need to start up as a content creator? You just need a social media account, either YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, we will have whatever the pronounce it as, Twitter, or any social media at all. You can do content creation on any social media platform, even on WhatsApp, even though WhatsApp has turned to a busy marketplace. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is get a social media, just create a page, create your own page, give it a name, a very captivating name, something that can capture your audience, something that can, just grab the people grab the people's attention. That's what your name should hold. And then secondly, after creating your page, go into your bio. Now, before we go into bio, there's this thing where people be like, niche your content. That should be the second thing, but I'm going to be discussing it in likes of the whole creating page and the rest. Niching your content as a small influencer, as a small content creator, as a nano influencer. If you do not know what a nano influencer is, these are people who have less than 10,000 followers, like of 1,000 followers to 999 followers. 9,999 followers. So those are nano influencers, and as a nano influencer, I just feel you should go for it. Like, just go for anything that you have. You don't need aesthetics as a nano influencer. Nah, just make your feed look nice. That's all you have to eat. At the beginning of this video, I said it was not going to be planned, so please don't crucify me if I just go around the place. But yeah, I'm going to say this again, do not niche your content. If you love beauty videos, if you're into beauty videos, do beauty videos. If you're into lifestyle videos, vlogging, showing us what you're eating, doing day-to-day, traveling, just merge everything together but make it look so pretty. I know somebody that does all these things together and it looks so amazing. Her page is so well arranged, nothing is scattered. So if you think you're just gonna have an all scattered feed, that's not true. There's a way you can arrange your feed that makes it look so aesthetically pleasing, even without even putting aesthetics in your mind. So that's what I'm going to advise you. As a nano influencer, you should just go out for everything. I started with beauty videos. I started with beauty influencer on my page, but I knew from the start, for my YouTube channel carries beauty, fashion, lifestyle and advice, and that's what I want on all my social media platforms where I do content creation. Those 4 things are the important things I want to carry on as content creation. I want to be able to give out beauty videos, I want to be able to give out lifestyle videos, fashion videos, advice videos, just like this content creation series that I'm going to be doing on YouTube here. So those are the videos I want to be able to bring out. So after that point, once you've known what you're good at, you already have your startup for your Instagram bio. So you already know that your name is gonna be there and your content creation is gonna be there. You can also choose digital marketing as your, I don't know if it's called it subheading, but I'm gonna merge something here to show you guys what I'm talking about. So digital marketing, content creation. Then under content creation, you can go with something like beauty, vlogging, travel influencer, or something, just whatever you want your page to speak about, because your bio speaks more than anything. For deals, like, you should tell me what you're doing, you should tell me what exactly I'm expecting from your page. I hope that point was very clear, and if you don't understand anything, please just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so my next tip is going to be create content. After creating your page, creating your bio, not niching, please don't get me wrong, you can niche at the beginning if you want to, but my advice, my opinion is, do not niche your content. So my next tip is going to be create. You cannot be a content creator, you cannot be a beauty influencer, fashion influencer, lifestyle influencer, travel influencer, or something, and there's nothing on your page. You just have a blank canvas, or you just have one white blank picture. No, you have to start creating. Be consistent. Be consistent in creating. I have an issue with being consistent because I can just appear today and give you guys buzz boost throughout the whole week, and then the next week I'm gone. It happens. Yeah, it's very hard to create content sometimes, and it's understandable, but try your best to be consistent. My next tip is, please start small. Yes, please start small. Don't go and trouble your parents and say, I want a ring light, I want a softbox, I want a Canon, so camera. Please start with your Android phone or your iPhone, as long as it's giving you what you can like post. I know of people who, I started with my window. I started with my window, and glory be to God, now I have 2 lights and I'm still using my iPhone 7 to film this video. It just has to do with the way you position your lighting, the way you position your phone, the way you edit. Editing has a lot to do with content creation, and I'm going to be putting out another video on how I edit my videos. Catch my breath. Hold you over. It's not easy to be talking here. You guys are meant to be paying me, but anyways, when we grow, this video is gonna make sense. But anyways, don't go over the board, don't go over yourself. Start small, start little. From little, sometimes you might even start up big and then end up finding out that that's not what you want to do. You want to actually pursue your career of becoming a medical doctor, and you don't want to do content creation. So what happens? You now start to look for how you sell all these things. So please start small. Then if you have the passion for it, if you're really ready to be into this content creation thing, you can now start investing. You do not need to wait for brands to message you or brands to pay you for you to actually invest in your art, for you to invest in your work. This is something that is long term. There are people who have been in content creation for 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, and they have been investing, and it is now they are seeing the produce of their investment. So do not give up. Start up small and do not give up. Never you give up. There's a lot of things that will make us give up, but it's gonna be worth it after all this struggle. And okay, this is one myth that I really want to discuss. Along content creation as a nano influencer, this is one thing I'm going to tell you. Nano influencers get paid for jobs. I know you didn't know this, but yeah, nano influencers get paid for jobs. People with 1,000 followers, 2,000, 3, 4, 5, 6, they get paid. It's just that the payments varies. And if you want me to also do a different video for the payments, please let me know in the comment section below. Nano influencers are people who are growing. So do not listen to any big content creator who is telling you to not collect PR packages. Yes, you might see okay, a big brand giving you PR packages, but the funny thing about their PR packages is that they might not want to pay you because you're a nano influencer, and yes, you're putting in the work, but you yourself know that if you are left alone like that, you won't be able to afford those products that they are giving to you. Don't come to the internet and try to prove anything. There are products that are up to 30k inside that PR package that they are giving to you. If you are sitting there in your house, will you be able to afford that? Like afford the whole box? They are 30k, 12k, 10k, especially skincare brands. Okay, I feel skincare brands should pay. Yes, I feel they should pay, but don't come for me anyways. But if you sit down to see the prices of these items, you see 10k, 12k, 15k, 20k, and then you're complaining that a brand is giving you free products as a nano influencer. This whole nano influencers get paid and also whatnot so ever. Don't get me wrong, when it's time to get paid, you get paid. And when it's time to get free packages, you get free packages. I've gotten a lot of free packages, not like a lot, but at least my box is full of free packages, and I can literally do makeup for other people using those free products I got, and I'm making money from not buying any of those things. So it's also an advantage for you as a nano influencer. Imagine getting a whole box of free clothes to just be changing and changing and changing and doing all your transitions. If you can be able to maneuver and you know that it's a big brand and you know they can pay you, then you should go in for the payments. You should go in with your rate card. Let your rate card be what you know you can work with. Don't listen. See, these big content creators started small. They started from also collecting PR packages. Ask them. Ask them. They started collecting PR packages before they started getting paid for jobs. So do not let anyone deceive you. This is an industry that takes a lot of process, a lot of bidding. So when you get free PR packages, you can create more content that you yourself will know, okay, it's high time I get paid for what I do. Hope this part is clear. This video might just end up being so long. But yeah, I hope that I didn't bore you. If there's more that you want to know, as I said before, I didn't write anything down, so I might be doing this as a series. I'm not sure, but if there's anything you want to know about content creation, nano influencing, media cards, influencer rates, just let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much, and welcoming me back. It was a long break, a really long break, and I'm excited to be back here. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Okay, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video.